Student, I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a teacher representing Santmani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. In the last lecture, previous lectures, in the previous videos, we have seen about the addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. Now, we are taking multiplication between the matrices, between the two or three matrices. Now we taking the first question from the exercise number 3B. We taking NCERT class 12th mathematics chapter number 3 matrices exercise number 3.2 as a 3B. Now we getting question number first. What is the demand of question, student? If matrices A will be equivalent to 4 3 2 and B will be equal 1 3 2 5, then we have to find find A dot B and B dot A. Student, A dot B and B dot A. Now solution is there. Given that A will be equal of 2 4 3 2 and B will be equal of 1 3 2 5, and we have to find A dot B. What is the mean of the A dot B, student? A dot B, that means A matrices A dot matrices B. But in the case between the matrices, we doesn't take point as a multiplication. Now A dot B will be equal multiplication. In the case of the multiplication, first row multiply by first row, then first row multiply by second row. First row of first matrices multiply by first row of second matrices. So first row multiply by first will be equal of 2 into 1, 4 into 2. In between we taking the positive sign. We taking softly 2 into 1, 4 into 2 plus. Now time for first multiply by second. 2 3 ja 6, 4 5 ja 20. Finally second row multiply by first column. So 3 1 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 2 5 ja 10. Students, A dot B equal to 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 equivalent of 10, 2 and 26, 4 and 3 7 and 19. So we are getting the first solution in the form 10 26 7 and 19, A dot B. Now time for B dot A. What is the mean of the B dot A? B dot A, that means a B matrices B multiply by matrices A. You know, okay? A dot B, that means A multiply by B, and B dot A, that means me multiply by A. Now the first element, first row of first matrices multiply by the first column of the second. Here first by first, then first by second, second by first, then second by second. Now 1 and 3 multiply by 2 and 3. 1 2 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9, 1 4 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 2 ja 10. Verify one more time, check out. 1 2 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9, 1 4 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 5 3 ja, ठीक है, 2 2 ja 4, 5 3 ja 15, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 and 5 2 ja 10. Solution: 9 plus 2 will be equivalent of 11, 4 plus 6 10, then 19 and 18. Here B dot A will be equal of 11, 10, 19 and 18, and A dot B will be equal of 10, 26, 7, 8, 19. So as a conclusion, ठीक है, as a conclusion we can say we can write A dot B not equal to B dot A in the some cases. Sometime A dot B will be equal of B dot A, that is a ittefaq, but always A dot B may be not equal to B dot A. Student, second question, what is the demand of the question? Show that A bracket B plus C will be equal of AB. What is the mean of the AB? That means A dot B plus AC, that means A dot C. Now we read the question. If A will be equal of 1, 2, 3, 4, where the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, that means are 2 by 2. The order of matrix 2 by 2 and B will be equal of 2 by 2. I repeat, if the order of matrix 2 by 2 and order of second matrix 2 by 2, that means 2 by 2 into 2 by 2. The first and last will be the answer of the result matrix, that means result matrix in the form 2 by 2. Such that another example we are taking, if the order of first matrix is 3 by 2 and the order of second matrix is 2 by 2. So what is the order of result matrix? A cross B, equivalent of 3 cross 2, 2 cross 2, then we getting first and last in the form of the order of the resultant matrix, that means a result matrix in the form 3 by 2. Another example, if the order of first matrix, if the order of first matrix is 3 by 3 and order of second matrix will be equal of 2 cross 3, then A cross B will be equal of 3 cross 3, 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3, both are the same? No. So between the multiplication between the matrices and A and B are not allowed. I repeat, first and last always will be same, that means multiplication is allowed. Student, question A will be equal of, according to the question, A will be equal of 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and B will be equal of 2, 1, 4 and 2, and C will be equivalent of 5, 1, 7, 4. We have to find the value of A dot B plus C. So we taking B plus C. What is the mean of the B plus C? 2, 1, 4, 2 plus 5, 1, 7, 4. What is the property of addition? First element will be added with the first element and second element will be added by second, and so on. So that means 2 plus 5 will be equal of 7. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. 2 plus 4 will be equal of 6. Here we getting the first term B plus C. Now according to the LHS, what is the demand of the LHS? LHS will be equal of A dot B plus C. That means A dot B plus C. What is the mean of the A? A will be equal of 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B plus C that means 7, 2, 11 and 6. How we multiply, students? How we multiply? Multiplication is the simplest form. First row multiply by the first column. That means 1 into 7 equal to 7. 2 into 11, that means 22. 1 into 2, that means 2. 2, 6, 12. 3, 7, 21. And 4, 11, 44. Finally 3, 2, 6. And 4, 6, 24. Cross check. ठीक है, 1, 7, 2, 22, 2 12, 3 7 जा 21, 4 41, 3 2 जा 6 and 4 6 जा 24. Now 7 plus 22 equal to 29, 14, 5, 65 and 13. Here we getting the first part LHS will be equal of 29, 14, 65 and 30. Equation number first. Now for the RHS we have to find A dot B. What is the meaning of the A dot B, student? A, that means 1 2 3 4 dot B, that means 2 1 4 2. A equal to 1 2 3 4 and B equal to 2 1 4 2. Multiplication, that means the first row multiply by the first column. 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8, 1 plus 4, 6 plus 16, 6 plus 16, 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8. How we calculate? 8 plus 2 equivalent of the 10, 5, 22 and 11. Now we taking second part. A dot C. A dot C will be equal A. What is the value of the A? 1 2 3 4 and matrices C will be equivalent of the 5 1 7 4. How we multiply? The first row of first matrix multiply by the first column of second. First, then first, second, then second by first, then second by second. Now time by first row of the first matrix. 1 will be multiplied by the 5, 2 will be multiplied by the 7, then means 14. 1 and 8 by second. 3 5 ja 15, 4 7 ja 28, 3 1 ja 3 and 4 4 ja 16. So final solution between the A dot C, 15 plus 19, then 9, 43 and 19. We getting A dot B and A dot C. But what is the demand of the RHS? RHS in the form AB plus AC. So what is the meaning of the AB? AB, that means, dear student, 10, 5, 22, 11 plus AC. AC, that means 19 plus 9, 43 and 19. Now we have to add between the two matrices. What is the policy of the addition? Addition, that means simply the first element of the first matrix will be added with the first element of the second. That means first with the first, second with the second, third with the third and fourth with the fourth. But required solution in the form 29 14. So okay, 10 plus 29 will be equal of 29. Both are equal. Second, 5 plus 9 will be equal of 14. Second one is also equal. 65. 23 plus 43 will be equal of 65. And finally last one, 30. That means 11 plus 19 will be equal of 30. Equation number second. By use of the equation number first and second, the RHS will be equal. So LHS also equal. We can write LHS will be equal of RHS. That means hence proved. Student, just recall one more time what is the demand of the question. A dot B plus C equal to AB plus AC. According to the BODMAS rule, we have to find out the value of the BC firstly. So we getting B plus C. B plus C, that means B plus C. Each and every element of B with the each and every element of the C corresponding B plus C. Then according to the RHS, we have to find A dot B and A dot C. Then after we getting AB plus AC. AB plus AC. The result of AB plus AC will be equal of result of A dot B plus C. So we can hence proved. Student, next question. If A equal to matrices 1 2 2 1 and Fx What is the mean of the x? X, that means any variable. Fx equal to x square minus 2x minus 3, then show that if a will be equal of 0, maybe 0 or 0 matrix, both are equal, 0 and 0 matrix, maybe right, 0 matrix. Now solution is there. If a equal to 1, 2 and 2, 1, and if x will be equal of x square minus 2x minus 3, but we have to prove function of a, that means if a equal to 0 matrix, that means we have to put, let us consider x will be equal of capital A, so we can write if a equal to a square minus 2a minus 3. But in the case of the 3, we can write just like 3 into 1. What is the mean of the 1? 1 may be denoted by the I, that means a diagonal matrix. If a, ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. सो स्टूडेंट, वी हैव टू फाइंड a square, 2a and 3 dot I, then we put in the equation number first. So required solution in the form of the 0. So for the solution, firstly we have to find out the value of a square. What is the mean of the a square? A square will be equal of a dot a. A dot a, that means a matrix A 1 2 2 1 dot 1 2 2 1. We cannot write a square just like 1 2 2 1 whole square. That is not a proper method in matrix. A square will be equal of a dot a. A dot a. Now how we multiply? The first multiply by the first. 1 time 1, 2 time 2, that means 4. 1 time 2, 2 1 are 2. ठीक है, that is a simple 4 and 1. You can write 4 plus 1 equal to 5, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 plus equal to 5. Now a square is complete. Now 2 into a. What is the mean of the 2 into a? That means 2 into a. That means 1 2 2 1. 2 multiply by the each element of matrix. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Now time for 3i. What is the mean of the 3? 3, that means 3, but in the case of the I, this means the diagonal 0 1 0 1. 3 multiplied by the each element of matrix, that means 3 0 0 3. Now we taking the LHS of equation number first. What is the LHS of the equation number first? LHS will be equal of FA. FA will be equal of a square minus 2a minus 3i. Told the statement of a square will be equivalent of 5 4 4 5 and 2a. What is the value of the 2a? 2a, that means 2 4 4 2, and finally 3i, that means 3 0 0 3. Solution. ठीक है, फर्स्टली we taking first matrix, subtract with the second matrix. Operation between them, 5 minus 2 will be equal of 3. 4 minus 4 will be equal of 0. 4 minus 4 will be equal of 0. 5 minus 2 will be equal of 3. Then 3 0 0 3. Now ठीक है, ऑपरेशन बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट. 3 माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0, 0 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 0, 0 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 0, 3 माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, आर नोन एज द जीरो मैट्रिक्स, विल बी इक्वल ऑफ RHS. Student, I hope you getting the proper solution of given question. ठीक है, take the screenshot of it. Thank you. Student, next question is there. With the different variation, find the value of the x by the given expression if matrices 2 3 5 7 multiplied by the matrices 1 minus 3 minus 2 4 will be equivalent of minus 4 6 minus 9 and x. Then we have to find the value of x. Now we taking the multiplication between the first and second. First row will be multiplied by the first column. 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, plus minus minus. Now 2 3 ja minus 6 and 3 4 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5, 7 2 ja 14, 5 3 ja 15 and 7 4 ja 28. Now will be equal of minus 4 6 minus 9 and x. Simple. Plus minus minus plus minus minus plus minus minus plus minus minus 5 5 8, that means 13 will be equal of minus 4 6 minus 9 and x. Now compare LHS with the RHS. Each and every element apart from the x will be same, that means minus 4 in the place same minus 4, 6 will be equal of 6, minus 9 will be equal of minus 9, that means 13 will be equal of x. So required solutions, student, a required solution will be 13. I hope student you getting the all solutions of the question exercise number 3b. Take the screenshot of it. Thank you so much for watching this channel.